Hello guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you make a group chat in messages. So to make a group chat in messages, at first just launch your messages option. Now after that, here you can see start chat option in the bottom right side. Click on start chat. Now after that, here you can see create group. Click on create group, this option. And after clicking create group, you need to just select the numbers, just like I'm selecting two numbers, and click on next. You can just give a group name and just click on done, and here you can see the group has been created. So guys, that's how you can create group in messages. So guys, hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.